In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube on Google Chrome. Let's start right from your computer screen. First, make sure Google Chrome is open. If it's not already, look for the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or in your applications menu. Click it once to launch the browser. After a moment, you should see a new Chrome window appear, usually with either a blank new tab or your default homepage. At the top of this window, you'll see the address bar. This is sometimes called the URL bar, and it's where you type in the web address of the site you want to visit. Go ahead and click once inside that bar. When you do, anything that's already there should become highlighted, which means you're ready to type over it. Now, type youtube.com carefully into the address bar. Make sure there are no spaces and that everything is spelled correctly. When you're done typing, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Chrome will now load the YouTube website. After a second or two, you should see the YouTube homepage with the logo at the top and a selection of videos displayed below. Once YouTube is open, you can use it just like you normally would. Search for videos, sign into your account, or browse recommended content. But to make things even easier for next time, it's a good idea to create a bookmark so you can open YouTube with a single click. Look again at the top of the Chrome window in the address bar where you just typed youtube.com. On the right-hand side of that bar, you'll see a small star icon. This is the bookmark button. With YouTube open, click on that star. A small box will pop up asking you to confirm the name and the folder for your new bookmark. By default, the name will usually be set to YouTube, which is perfect. You can leave it as it is or change it if you prefer a different label. Make sure the folder is set to the bookmarks bar if you want it visible at the top of Chrome. Then click the Done button. Now, you should see a YouTube bookmark appear in your bookmarks bar. From this point on, whenever you want to open YouTube, just open Chrome and click that bookmark once. You'll go straight to YouTube without needing to type the address again.